Hello everyone! It's Italian time! Oggi parliamo della differenza tra anche se e anche se. Brian's laughing at me. Today we're going to talk about the difference between anche se and anche se, aka even though and even if. Yes, in Italian we have anche se, but we do use it for two meanings, even though, even if. There is a difference in the way we use it, the verbs that have to follow even though and even if. Let's start with even though. Even though, anche se, talks about the reality, something that is real, that truly happened or will happen. It's the reality. When you use even though, so this kind of anche se, it has to be followed by the indicativo, present tense, imperfetto, passato prossimo. For example, if I say, even though I'm Italian, I like American rap music. Anche se sono italiana, mi piace la musica rap americana. It's true, I am Italian. Even though Brian was tired yesterday, he cooked for me. Anche se Brian era stanco ieri, ha cucinato per me. It's true, he was tired. Reality. You can use the passato prossimo. For example, even though I went to your party, I didn't have fun. Anche se sono andata alla tua festa, non mi sono divertita. Now, even if talks about an imaginary, possible situation, but it's not the reality. Here, anche se has to be followed by the congiuntivo. Congiuntivo imperfetto or congiuntivo trapassato. I'll give you another example. Even if I were Spanish, I would still like American rap music. Anche se fossi spagnola, mi piacerebbe comunque la musica rap americana. Because I'm not Spanish, I'm Italian. Even if Brian had been tired yesterday, he would have cooked for me. Anche se Brian fosse stato stanco ieri, avrebbe cucinato per me. So here I'm saying that he wasn't tired, but had he been tired, he would have cooked for me. I need the congiuntivo. Here I needed the trapassato. With the Spanish example, I needed the imperfetto. A little more complicated, but let's try and make a few sentences together. Even if he came, I wouldn't forgive him. Pause the video, think about it. Anche se venisse, non lo perdonerei. Sentence number 2. Even though he came, I haven't forgiven him. Pause the video. Anche se è venuto, non l'ho perdonato. Even if I had a lot of money, I would still keep working. Anche se avessi tantissimi soldi, continuerei a lavorare. Even though Brian's grandfather is retired, he still works. Anche se il nonno di Brian è in pensione, to be retired is essere in pensione. Anche se il nonno di Brian è in pensione, lavora ancora. Does it make more sense now? Now, if you want to practice your Italian and improve your Italian a little bit more, Brian and I have a podcast. I mean, it's a show. It's a show because we do teach, we talk, so you can improve your listening, you can improve your vocabulary, you can improve your grammar, a lot of things. We upload videos once a week, so check out our Patreon page. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.